Today we are going to tour 1157 North 152nd Avenue in Goodyear, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Goodyear, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Goodyear. Welcome to this wonderful 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a den. This home was built in 2020 and comes with fantastic upgrades. The Estrella Commons Community offers residents covered picnic and barbecue areas, children's playgrounds, tons of green space, and gorgeous mountain views. You are located off of the I-10 and Estrella Pkwy, giving you super easy access to shopping centers, restaurants, Harkins Theater, and more. Here we have the internal laundry, complete with a washer and dryer. And the bedrooms are equipped with ceiling fans for added comfort. Here we have a shared bathroom fitted with a tub shower combo. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, www.leaseaz.com. The open floor plan with 9-foot ceilings and lots of natural light make this home feel spacious and bright. And the kitchen features a walk-in pantry, granite countertops, stainless appliances, and a kitchen island with a breakfast bar. Again, if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, www.leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's www.leaseaz.com. The master bedroom includes an ensuite bath with a walk-in shower, a walk-in closet, double vanities, and a private water closet. And finally, here is a quick tour of the spacious backyard with a covered patio, perfect for relaxing and entertaining. Thank you for watching the tour, and have a great day.